Oh no, we cut our nail. We have to surgery. So first we have to cut the bandage, then we'll remove this bandage, another bandage. Okay, then we have to clean all these things. Wow, this is my cutting piece of my finger. Here we have to join those, so we use magnifying glass for looking bigger. So here we can see the ligament, so we'll join all the ligament, one ligament, repair one ligament, then another one. Second ligament is done, then big and third ligament is also done. Then wow, it's also done. So one, wow, this is final ligament. I hope all things well. Wow, good. So you can see my finger is okay. So well done.